Step into the 2011 Chevrolet Tahoe Lieutenant. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include automatic temperature control, dual front impact airbags, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, ultrasonic rear parking assist, air conditioning, and delay-off headlights. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.